Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in an ASUS C300M Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. You may also want to have a pair of tweezers handy, as they may be useful in handling small parts. The first step will be to remove the 11 bottom cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to carefully pry the palm rest assembly off of the bottom cover. Now, you will disconnect the keyboard cable and the touchpad cable from the motherboard. The palm rest assembly is now removed. Next, you will remove the 6 battery screws. Now, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard and remove the battery. The first step in the installation of your replacement battery will be to set it into place and replace the 6 battery screws. Now, you will reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Now, you will reconnect the keyboard cable and the touchpad cable to the motherboard. Next, you will snap the palm rest assembly back into place on the bottom cover. The final step will be to replace the 11 bottom cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your ASUS Chromebook. Good job!